how do you think about what gets communicated out to like your partners versus what you're doing on a day-to-day basis? And how do you manage that desire for knowing what's coming up versus having the flexibility to adapt when you need to?
We're constantly learning and adapting and evolving because there is no perfect answer here. And so what we aspire to do is to have a balance of things that are established and known and bigger rocks, let's say, that we want to move, and then have the agility and the budget to intersperse smaller pebbles or smaller rocks that come along for the journey, because we want to always be in a position to be able to react to customer demands, to market needs, to merchant asks. And so we're trying to always continuously balance this and harmonize the different parts of the puzzle. And that is like the art and science in some ways of the product manager, right? Like, how do you take what we've known and we've committed to versus what are the new things that are coming in? How can we juggle it together? How can we maybe blend it together? Because that could become part of another thing that we were thinking about. And so it really comes down to the specific. I'm talking at an abstract level on how we do this, but in the specific product surfaces that we are trying to innovate, we have a long-term roadmap. We have a budget to take on customer feedback. We have a mechanism of packaging it up and sharing it with our large partners, as you mentioned. But we're constantly trying to evolve and find that balance on how much are we committed to a particular set of things and how much are we able to react, because we don't want to be too much indexed in either direction, because the beauty is in somewhere in the middle where we're doing both. We're committed, but we're also agile in the same way.